Hey English learners, welcome back to week 2 of your English 4 journey. I'm Lena from Assessment on the GO, and today we're tackling indefinite pronouns, passive voice, and how to describe objects like a pro. These might sound technical, but trust me, you use them every day. Topic 1. Indefinite pronouns, somebody, anybody, nobody. First up, words like somebody, anybody, and nothing. These fill in for unknown people or things. Real-life uses and examples. Somebody versus anybody. Somebody left their bag. Specific person versus. Does anybody have a pen? Any person. Everything. Nothing. Everything is ready for the meeting. Positive versus. Nothing went as planned. Negative. Tip. Use some in positive statements, any in questions, negatives. Topic 2. Place adverbs, somewhere, anywhere, nowhere. Summary. These adverbs describe where, or where not. Examples. Let's go somewhere quiet. Specific place. I can't find my keys anywhere. No place. The store is nowhere near here. Negative. Workplace use. The report must be somewhere in the shared drive. Topic 3. Descriptive questions. How big? How long? Summary. Need to describe sizes or dimensions. How? Questions are your best friend. Examples. How wide is the sofa? Buying furniture. How heavy is your luggage? Airport check-in. Pro tip. Pair with measurements. It's 2 meters long. Topic 4. Passive voice, present simple. Summary. Passive voice shifts focus to the action, not who did it. Real-life uses. This shirt is made of cotton. Shopping. English is spoken here. Travel. Common mistake. Don't say, soccer plays in Mexico. Say, soccer is played in Mexico. Topic 5. Possessive pronouns and genitive. Summary. No more mixing up mine and yours. Examples. Whose phone is this? It's hers. That's Tom's car. Genitive equals ownership. Fun practice. Look around you. This notebook is mine. That pen is yours. Conclusion and homework. Great job. See you next week.